So today I'm going out for dinner and I'm gonna take you all with me and catch snippets of dinner.
Yeah, I'm excited to try these.
Yeah, so this is the beet salad.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it has the oranges. I love beets, and then of course we also got the avocado wraps. I love the avocado wraps. I really, really love
Okay.
avocados.
I
So
love all the avocado, so I'm sure I'll
yeah,
enjoy them.
yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and chow down. Wow, that's a lot of food. So I got the bang bang chicken and shrimp with angel
Okay.
hair pasta.
That looks really good.
Yeah, and I ordered a side of plantain.
Sure.
And that's still the avocado wrap. We haven't finished it.
Okay.
And he ordered the fish tacos.
Uh-huh.
Does the beans come with it?
Yep, with black beans and rice, yeah.
And that's rice over there. The green thing is rice?
Uh-huh.
Oh, and that's the taco.
Yeah.
That kind of looks good.
It does. You can have one if you want.
Okay, I'll try one of these.
Yeah, sure, go right ahead.
Yeah. So this is my casual laid-back look for dinner. So I have these custom crystal and corset pants and this custom jacket that was made for me, and of course the crystal and sequin top, bra top. Okay, I love the bra top and I think it does hold the babies well, even though it's really skimpy. And then this jacket is for the fact that it's cold. Can we take a moment and appreciate the Azalea Wang boots? Okay, I think they are in tune with the love. Okay, so this is my look for today. Very conservative, very casual, and I'm gonna showcase it real quick for you all. So let's go ahead and do a quick showcasing before I go out for dinner. So music, hit it. showcasing of this look. If you like the vlog, smash the like button, and if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where you may be on your screen, and please do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. And to follow me on my social media on Instagram at fashionista.professor and on TikTok at Professor C. And so till next time I upload another vlog, you'll continue to take care, you'll continue to find your happy place, and you'll continue to stay cool. So kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que merci. C'est fini.